Chris here from Apex Chassis. I want to introduce you to our new DuroBoot. What DuroBoot does is it replaces traditional accordion-style boots. And what we found in the past is that people tend to over-grease these boots. They blow them up from over-greasing. Also, you're on the trails. There's trail hazards that can catch on the boot, tear it open. So what we've done is we've made a solid rubber boot that replaces the traditional accordion-style boot. You can't over-grease it. It's not going to tear from trail hazards. The other thing it does, in this industry, we all tend to build an anti-wobble bearing into our tie rod ends. That anti-wobble bearing is made, it's a metal-to-metal bearing, and it can make a little bit of a clunking noise. What the DuroBoot does is it cushions that clunking noise and takes that out of the system. Just to reiterate, DuroBoot, three things: stops the boot from blowing up from over-greasing, solid rubber boot that won't rip through trail hazards, and also stops any kind of noise with the metal-on-metal bearings. This product is available on all of our platforms now: Ford Super Duty, Dodge Ram, and all of our Jeep platforms. All available at apexchassis.com.